How you doing, everybody? This is Adam from the Gelos. This is a little milestone video that I'm doing before my actual video, which will be coming out later today. Uh, I got stuff to do real quick before I can go ahead and launch it. We have reached over 40 plus subscribers. The last video I know that we did is we did it 25 subscribers, 25 plus. That was 3 days ago. Now we have 40 plus subscribers, which is amazing. We do appreciate everybody for subscribing to our channel. If you have not subscribed, please click the subscribe button down below. Click the bell notification so we can be updated on every new video that we release. And also click the like button if you like our videos as well. And also another milestone is we have reached over 500 plus views. And this is our 20th video, and the one later today will be 21. So that's a pretty big milestone for our small little channel. So again, we just want to say thank you all so much for viewing our videos and also subscribing. Again, it means so much to us. Hopefully the video that's going to be coming out later today, hopefully you will enjoy that. I'm gonna go to a place that's beautiful. I'm gonna see if it's open first before I do, but if it's not, I'm just gonna go someplace else and do another like beautiful view and just go from there. But hopefully it is open, because it is, weather-wise, is not a bad day. It's actually a really nice day. And this place opens at sunrise, and I believe it closes at sundown. So, but hopefully I can get there in time before they close it. So, so with that being said, thank you so much again. See you on the next video. Take care, everyone.